Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Sharma. Today we will discuss MS PowerPoint in computer application in business. So content in MS PowerPoint is insert an Excel chart into a PowerPoint slide. Today we will discuss this topic. So what will be the procedure to insert a Excel chart in MS PowerPoint? First step, prepare your Excel chart. First of all, we will open Excel file and create a chart in Excel. And step number 2, copy the Excel chart. Step number 3, now open MS PowerPoint and go to the desired slide which we want to open. Step number 4, paste the Excel chart. Step number 5, adjust the chart size and the positions. According to the slides, we will adjust the positions and the size of the chart. Step number 6, update the chart data. We will update the data on the axis of the x-axis and the y-axis. Step number 7, save the PowerPoint presentations. So this is the basic procedure to insert a chart, Excel chart in MS PowerPoint. So start step number 1, prepare your Excel chart. Open Microsoft Excel and create a chart that we want to insert in PowerPoint slide. Make sure the chart is well formatted and display your data that we want to present. Now second is point, in the entire chart, by clicking on it, the chart should be surrounded by a selection box where it is properly selected. Now step number 2, what will be the step number 2? Copy the Excel chart. We will use the option Ctrl+C on the keyboards to copy the selected chart. According to alternate, we will right click on the chart and choose the copy option. Step number 3, open PowerPoint and go to the desired slide that we want to paste the Excel chart in our slide. So open Microsoft PowerPoint and navigate to the slide where we want to insert our Excel chart. Now step number 4, for the pasting for the Excel, click on the slide where we want to paste our chart. To make sure the cursor in the right positions, the option for the pasting is Ctrl+V on keyboard, or we can say that the alternate, we can right click on the slide and then choose the option of the paste option. Step number 5, adjust the chart according to the chart size and the position. This is the optional step. In this step, we can resize our data, we can change our positions, change our chart styles, chart layout, etc. So according to the step number 5, we can click and drag the corners handles according to the chart to the side chart and according to the position. To move the chart from the different positions on the slide, click and drag into the desired positions. Step number 6, update the chart data. If we want to update the data, that is also an optional step. If we want to update, then click on the PowerPoint slide and double click on on the chart. This will open Excel data with our chart data. Make the necessary changes that we want to update in our data, and then Ctrl+S, that is the save our data. Step number 7, that is save our PowerPoint presentation. We can save our presentation after updating or inserting chart. Here the graphical representation of inserting our data. First of all, in PowerPoint, select the insert tab. We want to insert, and this is another option. In the insert option, we can insert our object, that is in the step number 2. Click the object command in the text group also. A dialog box will open. Select the create from the file and then the browse. Create from the file, and the option is browse option is open, and the path is open according to that, and the cell data is open, that is the Excel sheet is open, or the data that we enter in a Excel sheet to create our chart is open, and click on the OK button. Check the box next to the link to file you want to link to the data in the Excel chart. This will enable our data to update itself when changes are made on the Excel chart. So this is an example of updating or inserting our chart. This is the inserting our chart. Click OK this dialog box, that now the chart will appear in our presentation. So this is the questions related to our the content, like inserting a chart in the PowerPoint slides. So how do I insert the Excel chart into the PowerPoint slide? According to answer To insert an Excel chart into the PowerPoint slide, follow these steps. First of all, open PowerPoint presentation, navigate to the slide where you want to insert the chart. In Excel, select the chart you want to add or PowerPoint, copy the chart according to the Control C, and now after copying, paste the chart according to the command Control plus V. Now question number 2, can I link an Excel chart to the PowerPoint slides to keep it updated automatically? Yes, you can link to the Excel chart to a PowerPoint slides to maintain a dynamic connections between the two. Here, follow the same steps to copy the Excel file and the paste into the PowerPoint. While pasting, use the paste special option, that is right click or paste special and select paste link. Any changes made to the original Excel chart will automatically update in the PowerPoint slide when we open the presentation. So this is the main important questions according to the inserting a chart in the PowerPoint. Now question number 3, are there any alternative way to insert Excel into the PowerPoint apart from the chart? Yes, according to this, we can insert Excel data into the PowerPoint using the tables and the row data. Copy the data from Excel and paste into the PowerPoint as a table. Here there are the some options in the PowerPoint presentation to insert a table according to the rows and columns, or we can create a table according to the custom. Question number 4, how can I maintain the source formatting of the Excel chart when inserting into the PowerPoint? To preserve this source formatting to the Excel chart when inserting into the PowerPoint, the option is, after copying the Excel chart as a paste special, select the keep source formatting option to ensure the chart retain its original appearance in the PowerPoint. Now next question is, can I edit the Excel chart after inserting into the PowerPoint? Yes, we can edit, and we can edit our chart after inserting our presentation, and it is automatically updated in PowerPoint. Thank you.